Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to reset keyboard dictionary on your iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your setting. Just tap on your setting. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see option of general. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here when you scroll down the screen, you can see option of reset. Just tap on it. When you tap on reset, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see a option of reset keyboard dictionary. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a pop-up window will open on your screen just like this. Here at the bottom of the screen there is a option of reset dictionary. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, all your keyboard dictionary will be reset. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.